It's finally happened. After years of waiting, debating, and endless speculation, the Pi network's Open Mainnet is now live. For a long time, Pi felt like a rumor, something people would whisper about, something you'd notice on your friend's phone but weren't quite sure was real. Now, in 2025, that conversation changes. What was once just an app where millions tapped a button each day has finally transitioned into a live, functioning cryptocurrency ecosystem. This is more than just another coin launch. The vision of Pi was never about being exclusive to hardcore miners or people with stacks of expensive hardware. It was about bringing crypto to everyone, making digital money as easy as downloading an app on your phone. And with this launch, that vision is finally taking shape. So let's take a step back. What exactly is Pi network? At its heart, Pi is a cryptocurrency that wanted to solve one of the biggest problems early crypto like Bitcoin faced. With Bitcoin, mining became a race that demanded high-powered computers, huge amounts of electricity, and eventually locked out the everyday person. Pi's founders, a group of Stanford graduates, saw this flaw and asked themselves, what if mining didn't need to be so complicated? What if mining could be something anyone with a phone could do without melting their battery or requiring a degree in computer science? That's where Pi's unique idea of mobile mining comes in. Instead of solving impossible math problems, Pi users simply tap a button once a day. That tap proves you're human and not a bot. In exchange, you earn Pi coins. It's a clever way of distributing currency fairly while also building a community around it. Millions joined. People invited their friends, built earning teams, and watched their Pi balances climb higher and higher. For years though, those coins were essentially locked inside the app. You could see the number, but you couldn't move it, trade it, or spend it freely. That's the significance of today. The Open Mainnet has flipped the switch. Imagine staring at your bank account for years, knowing the money is there but never being able to withdraw it. Suddenly, the ATMs turn on, transfers are available, and your balance becomes usable. That's what just happened with Pi. The blockchain is now public. You can send Pi to external wallets, projects can integrate with it, and exchanges can begin to take notice. It's not just about moving coins either. An open mainnet means developers can now build apps, marketplaces, and tools that use Pi as their native currency. It creates a pathway for Pi to connect with other blockchains like Ethereum or Solana. It means businesses could start accepting Pi. It means that what was once an experiment is now a real participant in the global crypto economy. So if you're new and curious, how do you actually get started? The beauty of Pi is its simplicity. All you need to do is download the official Pi Network app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure it's the real one from the social chain team, because there are fakes out there. Setting up takes only a few minutes. You'll register with your phone number or Facebook account, set up a secure password, and enter your real name exactly as it appears on your ID. This is important for KYC verification. Pi is invitation only, so you'll need a code from a friend or online community, but that also gives you a bonus to your earning rate. Once you're in, congratulations, you're officially a pioneer. From here, mining couldn't be simpler. You just tap the lightning button once a day. That starts a 24-hour session where your Pi balance grows automatically. You don't need to keep the app open, and it doesn't drain your battery. After a day, you tap again to restart the process. Over time, you can increase your earning rate by forming a security circle of trusted people and by having an active earning team. It's a social way of securing the network and rewarding participation. But what happens once you've mined some Pi? This is where the Pi wallet comes into play. With Open Mainnet, your wallet becomes your digital key to the blockchain. You'll use the Pi browser, a separate app that connects directly to your account. Inside, you'll generate your wallet passphrase, a random string of words you must write down and keep safe offline. If you lose it, there's no recovery. Your public key is what you share to receive Pi, while the private phrase keeps your wallet secure. Sending Pi is just as easy. Enter the recipient's address, type the amount, confirm the small network fee, and it's done in seconds. Whether you're paying a creator, tipping a friend, or buying something in a marketplace, transactions feel instant and simple. No banks, no heavy fees, just direct peer-to-peer exchange. The bigger picture, though, is the ecosystem that's beginning to emerge around Pi. Through the Pi browser, you can already access decentralized apps that let you shop, play games, join social platforms, or even experiment with financial tools. Imagine being able to pay for digital artwork, buy game tokens, or tip your favorite streamer directly in Pi. This is where the real potential lies, not just holding Pi, but actually using it in an economy powered by millions of people. For early adopters, this is an especially exciting moment. Original pioneers have been waiting for years to see their balances become usable, but even new users entering now are still considered early. Every day you tap, you earn more than you would if you join later, because the mining rate decreases as the network grows. That means the sooner you participate, the more potential you capture. And remember, the risks are minimal. The app is free. It barely uses any battery. It takes a few seconds each day. At worst, you've lost nothing but a little tap. At best, you're part of one of the largest crypto experiments turning into a functioning global currency. Think about where this could go. A massive global community already exists, and now they finally have the tools to spend, trade, and build. The Open Mainnet doesn't mean Pi's journey is finished, it means it's just beginning. We're at the starting line of something that could evolve into a vibrant peer-to-peer economy, with services, businesses, and innovations all powered by Pi. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, this might be the time to jump in. Download the app, claim your invitation code, tap to start earning, and explore the Pi wallet. Try out some apps in the Pi browser. Send a few coins to a friend just to see how seamless it feels. Because the value of Pi isn't just in the numbers on a screen, it's in the community, the activity, and the real transactions that start taking place. The Pi network's Open Mainnet is live. What was once a concept is now a living economy. Whether it grows into a global powerhouse or remains a niche experiment depends on the people who choose to participate. That's the beauty of decentralized systems, the power is in the hands of the community. It's free, it's easy, and it's happening right now. The only question is, will you be part of it?